Hi there. Today, I want to talk to you a little bit about shapes. We haven't talked about shapes for a long time. We've been working really hard on adding and subtracting, lots of counting. Today, we're going to go back though a little bit and review about shapes because we're going to do some work this week using shapes. So I just want to talk to you a little bit about the shapes that we've worked with in the past. So let's start with this shape. What shape is that? That's right, friends. That's a square. Now, how many sides does a square have? Let's count them together. 1, 2. I'm going to use my pointer stick. I haven't been able to use it for a while. Here we go. 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side. A square has 4 sides. You are right. Now, I'm going to put up this shape next. What is this shape called? That's right. That's the rectangle. How many sides does a rectangle have? 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle has 4 sides and a square has 4 sides. But do they look the same? No, they do not. Why? Well, let's take a closer look. We see they both have 4 sides, but the square, each side is the same. So all 4 sides of a square are the same. Let's look at the rectangle. Does the rectangle have all 4 sides the same? Well, this looks the same as this one. That's 2. What about this one? Is this side the same as this side? Nope. So a rectangle has 2 sides that are the same, and the square has all 4 sides the same. Okay, so we've talked about the square and the rectangle. What about this? What shape is that? That's right, it's the triangle. You're probably thinking, Miss Julie, this is so easy. But remember, it's only so easy because we've had such practice. And that's why it's always good to review as well, because we're just going to get even more tricky. All right, so we know how many sides are on a triangle? 3, that's right. 1, 2, 3. That's right. We have one more shape we want to review. This is the good old circle. That's right. How many sides does a circle have? That's right. It doesn't have any sides, friends. That's right, because it is round. Now, here's a tricky question for all of you that thought this was so easy. Put your thinking caps on if you need to. I want you to tell me, what is an angle? An angle. Does anybody remember? Because we've talked about angles before. All right. Maybe some of you remember, maybe some do not. For those of you that remember, an angle is where the 2 sides come together and make a corner. That's right. So the 2 sides come together and they make a corner. So let's look at our square. I want you to tell me, how many angles do you see on our square? Remember, an angle is where the 2 sides come together. So let's count that. A side is coming together here. So there's one angle or corner. Here's another angle or corner. That's 2. Here's an angle. And here's an angle. So a square has 4 angles, 4 corners, and 4 sides. All right, that was our square. Let's try our rectangle. Let's see if you can make a prediction. Can you make a prediction, a guess at how many angles a rectangle might have? Let's find out. We see the 2 sides come together here to make a corner. Here, here, and here. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 angles or corners in a rectangle also. All right, how about the triangle? I can't trick you. I see that you've already counted 1, 2, 3. 3. Isn't it interesting, friends, that our shapes, when we talk about the corners or the angles, it's the same number as the sides. A triangle has 3 sides, and it also has 3 corners. A rectangle has 4 sides. It has 4 corners. Can you guess how many angles or corners our circle is going to have? Of course, you can guess 0. That's right, because it is round. Friends, did you know you could also do construction with shapes? Remember our friend Jack the Builder? So if we use our shapes, we could make something. Just putting a triangle and a square together, Miss Julie made a house just like that. What about if I do this? Sort of looks like a person wearing a hat. And here will be his tummy. And those are his pants. I made a person. Just need some arms and some legs now. Could do all kinds of things, right? Just by putting shapes together. I can tell you this. If I put it like this, it would be wobbly because it's on a round wheel. I hope it doesn't go kerplop. All right, friends, I just wanted to make sure we reviewed our shapes. Tomorrow, we're going to use these shapes to make patterns. It's going to be super fun. All right, bye-bye.